The female reproductive system is a fascinating part of the human body. ये system responsible होता है incredible journey of the creating life. Reproductive system कैसे work करता है इसको समझना is very crucial to women of all the ages. And ये knowledge उनको aware कराता है about how to protect and maintain their reproductive health and open communication with the healthcare providers. The external female parts, collectively known as vulva, which plays the very important role in sexual functions, reproductions and overall health. Remember one thing, हर woman के body and उनके parts का structure अलग अलग हो सकता है according to the woman. The labia majora and labia minora are the outer part of the vulva. They are essential folds of the skin जो protective layer का काम करता है for other reproductive organs. For example, ये फूल की पंखुड़ी की तरह होते हैं जो protect करते हैं flower के sensitive inner parts को. In Latin language, labia majora का मतलब होता है outer lip and they are covered with the pubic hair which contains sweat and oil glands. And इनका primary functions होता है cushion and protect the vulva from outer irritation and infections. The labia minora means smaller lips located just inside the labia majora. It's a very thin hairless skin and highly sensitive and ये size and shape में भी अलग अलग हो सकते हैं according to the women. And it helps to clean the vaginal opening and lubricate it. Clitoris located at the top of the vulva जहाँ labia majora and labia minora मिलते हैं. This is small, highly sensitive organ and oftenly compared with the male penis in terms of the nerve endings, but it's much smaller in size. A small rounded shape, visible part of the clitoris is called glans. Below the clitoris, you can see two openings, the urethral opening and the vaginal opening. The vaginal opening is a larger than urethral opening and it's the entrance of the vagina. Now let's get into the internal female reproductive organs and they are marvel of the nature. ये organ situated रहते हैं deep within the pelvic cavity and playing the critical role in the menstrual cycle, fertilization, pregnancy and childbirth. The first one is the vagina or the pathway of life and pleasure. ये एक muscular canal है जो external genitalia and internal genitalia को connect करता है. One of the important functions of vagina is receiving the sperm during sexual intercourse. Its walls are lined with the nerve endings, making it sensitive to touch. The vagina is also a birth canal, the passage of way through which baby travels from the uterus to the outside world during the childbirth. इसके muscular wall expand होते हैं to accommodate the baby's passage and then contract to expel the placenta after the delivery. And the vagina also serves as the exit route of the menstrual blood during menstruation. The next part is the cervix, also called the guardian of the womb. ये एक narrow neck-like structure है जो located रहता है lower end of the uterus and acts as a gate of the uterus and vagina. One of the primary functions of the cervix is to produce the cervical mucus, the fluid that changes its consistency throughout the menstrual cycle. Before the ovulation, जब estrogen level high होता है, तब mucus becomes thin and slippery, जो help करता है sperm को uterus तक पहुंचने में. And after the ovulation, the progesterone dominates, the mucus thickens and एक plug form करता है, which prevents the bacteria and sperm to entering to the uterus and prevent the potential pregnancy. During pregnancy, cervix tightly closed रहता है, which holds the developing baby in the uterus. As the labor approaches, cervix gradually softens and opens to allow the baby to pass through the birth canal. The next part of the system is fallopian tubes. These are thin, delicate structures expanding from the each side of the uterus and plays the crucial role in miracle of life. ये structures located रहते हैं between ovaries and uterus, facilitating the meeting of the ovum and eggs. When an egg is released during ovulation, it is captured by the finger-like structure called fimbriae at the end of the fallopian tube, and ये guide करते हैं journey of the egg towards uterus. The minor lining of the fallopian tubes coated with the tiny hair-like structure called cilia, which generally push the eggs towards the uterus. And this journey headed by the muscular contractions of the tubes taking about the 3-4 days. And within the fallopian tube, fertilization occurs. The sperm travels towards the fallopian tube and fertilization may occur usually in upper third part of the tube. The The next part is the ovaries and also called the powerhouse of the female reproductive system. ये almond size के structure होते हैं जो located रहते हैं either side of the uterus and responsible for producing female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. These hormones plays the crucial role in women's overall health and well-being, influencing everything from bone density to mood. Another function of ovaries are producing and storing the eggs. Each woman born with the millions of immature eggs, and these eggs are released when follicle becomes mature during the ovulation process at the reproductive age, and this usually occurs once in a month. The uterus is an amazing organ, plays a vital role in reproduction. It is a pear-shaped organ situated in pelvic cavity between the bladder and rectum. The uterus where the fertilized eggs embeds and grows. The uterus has several key parts. In that, the fundus is the top portion of the uterus, the body is the main part where the baby grows, and cervix the lower narrow parts that connects with the vagina. The endometrium is the inner lining of the uterus and the middle lining called myometrium, following by the outermost lining called perimetrium. A cervix expands to accommodate the growing fetus. The cervix acts as a gateway and the endometrium is crucial for the menstruation and pregnancy. Now, let's talk about the importance of the reproductive health. Maintaining good reproductive health is very important for women of all ages. Prioritizing reproductive health helps to empower the woman to make informed decisions about their bodies. Regular gynecological checkups is important to maintain good reproductive health. These visits typically involves the pelvic examination, pap smear for the cervical cancer, and discuss about the family planning and STDs. And understanding your menstrual cycle is another important aspect of reproductive health. Practicing safe sex will protect you and your partner from STDs and other type of infections, and maintaining overall health by balanced diet and regular physical exercise. I hope you understand about the female reproductive system, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and do share with your friends. Now, see you in my next video.